two people say the exact same sentence. One sounds confident, the other sounds robotic. Which one would you trust? Which one sounds fluent? If you want people to listen to you, understand you, and like your English, this video will change how you speak forever. No grammar test, just sound real. Let's go. If you saw my deep dive on intonation, awesome. This is the upgrade. Today, we are putting intonation together with word stress, sentence stress, rhythm, and linking. The whole vibe that makes you sound fluent. The first one is word stress. Some English words change meaning when the stress moves. For example, record, 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 record. When you say record, stress on the first syllable, you mean a thing. For example, I have a record. When you say record, stress on the second syllable, it's an action. I will record. See how the stress moves the meaning.
This creates an immutable, unforgeable record of all of the transactions.
Today's plane flew from New York to London in a record-breaking 2 hours and 53 minutes.
Because I always have a line down one side of my notebooks, and that's where I record the sample that I've taken.
There's like the equipment. How do I record it? Okay, well, most comedians don't have a...
If you are unsure which syllable is stressed in a word, you can also check a dictionary for stress marks or listen to native audio for confirmation. Next, sentence stress. In a sentence, not every word is equal. Content words usually get stress. Function words are usually weaker. For example, I can say he stole the money. In this phrase, if you stress didn't, I didn't say he stole the money, which implies you deny the action. But now, if you stress he, I didn't say he stole the money, you mean someone else did that. Now, if you put stress on I as I didn't say he stole the money, it means someone else said that. English is a stress time language, which means we keep equal time between stressed words, and unstressed words get switched or shortened. It's not one syllable per beat like in some other languages. Say this with me. Today, I'm going to the market. Notice we don't stress I am, to, or the. The beat moves from today to going to market. That is the rhythm of English. If you speak every syllable evenly, it sounds choppy. It's rhythm your English flows. The next one is linking and reductions. Linking is how words go together. For example, go on in natural English sounds like go on, because the O at the end of go connects right into the on. And turn off sounds like turn off. The end from turn slides into off with no pause.
And leave me behind as they go on for a faster time. As they go on for a
Target temperature, it's time to once again turn off the flame, and just about as and turn off the flame.
Reductions are the short forms used in normal speech. This makes speech faster and more natural. For example, don't you fit used to don't you. So, don't you like it? It becomes don't you like it? Don't you like it? In this example, the T sound from don't joins with you, and the ya sound softens into j sign. Want you reduced to wanta. I want you to do this.
Because I've been asked the question, why don't you just straight out say, why don't you just straight out?
In an uncompetitive position. I want you to know I'm optimistic. I want you to know.
Don't use reductions in formal speech like job interviews, but learn them so you can understand few conversations. Quick recap of intonation. Use rising intonation at the end for yes or no question or uncertainty. For example, are you coming? Are you coming? But on the other hand, use falling intonation at the end for statements or certainty. For example, I'm coming. I'm coming. If you don't know, we have already covered intonation deeply in my other video. People fairly improve pronunciation by memorizing grammar. If you practice 10 minutes a day, in 30 days, you'll notice friends understanding you more, interviewers taking you more seriously, and your confidence skyrocketing. That's a small daily habit. It's a big like payoff.